Welcome to this guide on setting up the HubSpot Conversations inbox. In just a few minutes, you'll learn how to centralize and streamline all your customer communication in one shared inbox. The goal here is simple: to show you how to set up HubSpot's shared inbox quickly, making it easier for your team to respond faster and keep every interaction organized. Let's begin. Head over to hubspot.com and log into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on the settings icon. This is where we'll configure the inbox. In the settings menu, look for the section called Inbox and Help Desk. Within this area, go to the Inboxes tab. This is the central place where you'll manage all your customer messages. Next, click on Connect a Channel. This option allows you to integrate different communication platforms directly into HubSpot. For this tutorial, we'll focus on enabling live chat, so select the chat option. By doing this, you can interact with customers in real time, improving responsiveness and engagement. And that's it. Your HubSpot Conversations inbox is now set up. From here, you'll benefit from faster response times, better tracking of conversations, and an overall boost in customer satisfaction. If you'd like to take this even further, explore more tutorials on HubSpot tools and features. The more you learn, the more value you'll get out of this powerful platform. You've now successfully set up your shared inbox in HubSpot, making communication easier and smarter for your business.